Hello guys, in the previous video we have seen how to navigate into the Linux directories after having root privilege, and if you can recall there was a directory called data and I said it contains many interesting databases for any hacker. So today we will transfer some of these databases and decode them into readable format. To perform the decoding, we're gonna use a tool named AntDriller. AntDriller is a graphical user interface program for Android Forensic. AntDriller has the ability to decode databases like contacts, SMS messages, call logs, lock screen patterns, web browsing history and passwords, Wi-Fi passwords, Facebook and WhatsApp databases, and many others. So again, AntDriller is a forensic tool, but we're gonna use it here for ethical hacking purposes. My point here, if our Trojan was landed or installed on rooted Android, then we can extend our attack after having root permission by transferring some databases back to our Kali machine, like message store database that contains the WhatsApp chat. AntDriller can be installed on Windows and Linux, but unfortunately I faced many problems while trying to install the software in Linux and it was most likely related to a bug in the software itself. I already sent an email to the support team and still waiting for their reply. If I was able to sort it out, then I will make a video on it later on. But in the meantime, I'm gonna install it on Windows. The installation in Windows is very straightforward. Once you get the setup file, it's just a matter of next finish. And once it's installed, here you go. This is the application interface. If we go quickly to AntDriller.com, then the decoders page, there is a list of databases that AntDriller can decode. At my side, I am running on Android version 4.2.2 and the latest WhatsApp version, which is 2.16.13. By the way, this version supports the recent end-to-end encryption that has been implemented by the WhatsApp company, even though the AntDriller still works perfectly on it. For my next action here is to show you how easy to decode the WhatsApp, SMS and the call databases. So if we open the AntDriller decoder page, and I will copy the location of these database directories, which are the WhatsApp contacts, calls and messages, and specifically we are interested in files that names with wa.database and messagestore.database. And the second group that we are interested in are the call logs and the SMS messages, and both of them share the same database, which is logs.db here. Now we will copy these databases to the phone memory where it is accessible without the need of being root, and then we will manually transfer them from the phone to the PC. In the upcoming videos, we're gonna automate the whole process, but at this point we will be using the cp or the copy command in terminal to do the copying. The command format is cp, then space, then source file, then space, then the destination path. And to run multiple commands in a single line, we will use the semicolon to separate the commands and to indicate that we want to run multiple commands regardless whether the preceding one has failed or not. So here I made a string variable named command, and it holds all the copy commands for all of the required databases and we will pass this string to the communicate function to be executed. Now I will run the code on my device, and once it's finished I will jump to the device storage, and fair enough, as you can see, there are our files here. Now you can transfer these files via AirDroid or via USB cable. But as I said, in the next video we will automate the transfer over our secure FTP. So let's start the decoding using the ANDRELLER. And from decoders list I will go to Android, and then we'll start with the logs.database. And as you can see, almost immediately we got a table for my call history, and it contains the call type, whether I received this call or initiated. Also, we were able to find out contact name, number, the call duration, and the time. To decode the SMS messages, the same database will be used but with different decoder. And in our case, it is Samsung SMS snippets. And fair enough, we got the SMS messages, the sender number, and the message type, whether it is inbox or being sent by us, as well as the timestamp. Now let's decode the WhatsApp contact list. And we can see the contact list names, numbers, and their WhatsApp status. Next is the WhatsApp call, and similar to previous decoders, we got the caller ID, time, and the type. And once it's finished, as you can see, we can see here the sender, the recipient, the message content, time. We can also see the messages that are being sent in WhatsApp group. I hope that this video has been informative for you, and thanks for watching.